Advantages and disadvantages of glass kitchen cabinet doors. Dear friends, there are so many ways you can enhance your kitchen cabinets without tearing them down and totally replacing them. Many homeowners opt for replacing the doors instead. This provides a wonderful new look and isn't nearly as expensive as replacing the cabinets in their entirety. If you've been thinking about doing this and have been researching door styles, perhaps you've been considering glass kitchen doors for your refacing project. They really are quite lovely when used with the right complementary decor. They add an extra shine to the kitchen, too. However, there are some downfalls to choosing glass front kitchen doors as well, so it's wise to consider all the details. Reasons to choose glass kitchen doors. Aside from the fact that they look great and give your kitchen an entirely new personality, there are a number of other reasons why going with glass kitchen doors for your remodel is a smart idea. Your kitchen will look larger. Just as with mirrors, the glass inserts in cabinet doors will make your kitchen look much bigger than it is. That's what makes these doors ideal for small rooms but suitable for larger ones as well. You'll also love the way they catch the light and make your kitchen sparkle. There are many styles available. Whether your kitchen is traditional, modern, or transitional, you'll no doubt be able to find a glass door that fits your needs because there are many different types available. Besides just regular flat panel type doors, you'll also find frosted, textured, seated, stained, and leaded versions of the glass door. The possibilities are endless. They're quite easy to clean. If your glass kitchen doors get dirty, greasy, or grimy, it just takes a spray of all-purpose glass cleaner to bring them back to looking like new. That makes cleanup easy, even after a big party or a day of cooking. It's easy to locate what's inside. With glass front kitchen cabinet doors, you'll always know what's inside your cupboard before you even open the door. That's certainly one of the greatest advantages of glass doors. Reasons not to opt for glass kitchen doors. Of course, glass doors aren't for everyone, and here's why. Clutter becomes visible. If you're not one of those people that keeps their cabinets clean and pristine, with everything organized just so, you're not going to want your guests to be able to see inside your cabinets. If you're not super organized or if your kitchenware is of all styles and colors, you should probably opt for solid cabinet doors. They can be fragile. While you shouldn't expect glass front doors to break or crack with carefully handling, repetitive slamming of doors and other rough behavior could result in damage to your glass doors. So, if you're worried about that, choose something less fragile for your cabinet doors. It's a lifestyle choice. Truly, if you're the perennial slob with messy kitchen cabinets, junk drawers, and the like, glass kitchen doors are probably not for you. Though they're versatile, timeless, and suitable for any style, you need to be willing to keep your kitchen organized if you're going to show off what's inside your cabinets. If, however, you keep your dishes neatly stacked and your bowls and other kitchenware in good order, glass kitchen doors might be just the answer to that new look you've been hoping to achieve in your kitchen. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.